Okay, I'm just adding planets to make the variety a little bit more. So I'm just kind of showing. I want to show you the way that I do that. I just changed this last type. I changed it from 5 to 6, and I run this simulation, and I can see that it works. It's got a little straight edge on the left side, but it's fine. So does two of the other planets. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is just add it in to my equation up here, and I changed the random selection into a switch statement. So now I can just go add another case, copy that in, make sure the coordinates get randomized instead of just being at the origin because we were using it as the player, and swap this up. So now it's going from 0 to 4. And I made the ship of the planet radius a little smaller so they'd be a little more dense on the screen so I could see examples of them all interacting together. And it does not disappoint. This is really cool. So alright, thanks for watching. I'm going to continue to do this through the entire graphic. If you want to see the whole graphic, it's right here. This was donated onto OpenGameArt.org, which is a really cool place to go for graphics art. Apparently we're not able to reach there right now. Alright, well thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe and leave comments in the video or on Facebook.